Hello friends, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we are going to learn how can we download Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission syllabus, latest notification, previous year question papers and the question banks of different examination. So if you want to learn all these things, you should have to watch the video till the end. First of all, you have to open your Google Chrome, and after that you should have to type the official website of Andhra Pradesh, that is apsc.ap.gov.in. That is the official website of Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission. Then you should have to search it. After searching it, this type of interface comes out. Here you can see the logo of Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission. This is the official website of the Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission. Here you can download the syllabus, the official notifications and the different things which is related to the Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission Board. First of all, here you can see a lot of types of things are available. First is the notification, second is the syllabus, third is the mock test, fourth is the keys and objections, and fifth is the exam calendar. So if you want to download the different type of notification, you should have to click on the notification section. So now I'm going to show you how can you download the notifications of different examination. After clicking on the notifications, four types of options comes out. First is the recruitments, second is the departmental, third is the half yearly, and the fourth is the Rashtriya Indian Military College. So we have to download the recruitment notification. So we should have to click on the first option. Then after that, after clicking on it, we can see the different types of notifications comes out, and which notifications you want to download, you can download from this section. So if we want to download the syllabus, we should have to follow these types of instruction. And now I'm going to show you the how can you download the syllabus. Here you can see the syllabus in the second row, so you should have to click on it, and after that these types of section comes out. Here you can see the different types of examination and different types of examination syllabus. First is the scheme and the syllabus for the post of medical officer Ayurveda in the Ayush department. Second is the scheme for recruitment to the post of executive officer. And after that you can see scheme and syllabus for the post of medical officer homeopathy. And after that you can see the different types of examination syllabus here. So if which syllabus you want to require, you want to download from this section. After that, if we want to download the another if you want to download the question banks or the answer keys, from where we can do it. So you have to come you have to scroll your phone this type, and you can see the uh, mock test. So here, by clicking here, you can attend the mock test of different type of examination which is conducted by the Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission. So I'm hoping you have all enjoyed this video. If you enjoy this video, like this video and share it with your friends. And if you want to watch these types of video related to APPSC, UPSC or the other state PCS examination, you can subscribe this channel. So thank you very much. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Take care of yourself.